Deep in the heart of the enchanted forest, there lived a tiny kitten named Crossbones. Crossbones was not like the other kittens. He had a unique marking on his back, shaped like a cross, which made him special. One day, Crossbones heard a faint meow coming from a deep, dark cave. He knew he had to help, so he gathered his courage and ventured into the unknown. The cave was dark and scary, but Crossbones pressed on. He could hear the meow getting louder and louder. Finally, he found a small, scared kitten trapped behind a rocky wall. Crossbones carefully moved the rocks, freeing the trapped kitten. The kitten, named Dotty, was so grateful. She was lost and scared, far from home. Crossbones decided to help Dotty find her way back. Together, they navigated through the forest, Crossbones leading the way with his brave heart. They met friendly animals along the way, who offered them food and shelter. Finally, they reached Dotty's home. Her family was overjoyed to see her. They thanked Crossbones for his bravery and kindness. From that day forward, Crossbones was known as the bravest kitten in the forest. Crossbones returned to his home, proud of his adventure. He realized that his unique cross marking was a symbol of his bravery. From then on, he wore it with pride, always ready to help anyone in need. At night, when the forest was quiet, Crossbones would look up at the stars and remember his adventure. He realized that being brave wasn't about having a special marking, but about having a big heart. And Crossbones, the brave kitten, had a heart as big as the enchanted forest itself. And so, the tale of Crossbones the brave kitten became a legend in the enchanted forest, a story of courage, friendship, and the power of a big heart.